Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is October 1st, 2025, and here are our top stories. AI investment, AI hallucinations, AI ransomware, AI climate. AI investment. Artificial intelligence is becoming a versatile assistant across various domains, including the world of finances. It can now create comprehensive stock portfolios upon request, drawing on vast amounts of market data to offer insights for wealth building. Leveraging its access to extensive data, AI can swiftly analyze the performance of thousands of stocks and funds. In finance, AI is already a common tool, particularly in customer service chatbots. For instance, Scalable Capital uses AI tailored to the financial sector to address portfolio-related queries. Additionally, many brokers are integrating AI models to enhance robo-advisors, which have long used algorithms to craft investment strategies. AI hallucinations. OpenAI has conducted a study shedding light on why ChatGPT and other large language models tend to hallucinate or confidently provide incorrect information. The research highlights that this issue might not be fully resolvable, especially for regular users. The paper provides a detailed mathematical explanation, showing that these hallucinations are not just an unfortunate byproduct, but are mathematically inevitable. This is due to the very nature of how language models operate, predicting word by word based on probability, which inherently leads to errors. The researchers found that the error rate for generating sentences is at least double that of simple yes or no questions. Addressing this, OpenAI suggests that future benchmarks might evaluate AI systems based on their self-assessed confidence levels before outputting answers. AI ransomware. Google Drive for Desktop is introducing a new AI-powered feature aimed at combating ransomware. This AI model, trained on millions of real-world ransomware samples, is designed to detect unusual file modifications that indicate malicious activity. When suspicious behavior is identified on a Windows or Mac OS system, such as attempts to encrypt or corrupt files en masse, Google's AI will halt the syncing of Drive files. Users will receive alerts on their desktops and via email, with the option to revert files to prior versions. Currently in open beta, Google plans to roll this out broadly by year's end. With ransomware attacks rising to 5,289 globally in 2024, this tool could be a timely addition for many. AI climate. Generative AI's growing energy appetite is set to spike greenhouse gas emissions as data centers demand more electricity. The International Energy Agency forecasts that by 2030, global electricity use by these centers could more than double, equating to more than Japan's total energy consumption. Alarmingly, about 60% of this demand will rely on fossil fuels, potentially adding 220 million tons of carbon emissions. To tackle this, experts, including those at MIT, are exploring cutting-edge strategies, like enhancing algorithm efficiency and reimagining data center designs to curb AI's expanding carbon footprint. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.